How's it going, everyone? Today we are going to show you how to assemble a Mayne post, specifically today using the Westbrook Plus. When you unbox your Mayne post, you are going to notice that you're going to need some tools. A shovel if you're going to insert this directly into the ground using option 1. Today we're going to be going with option 2, so we won't be needing a shovel. A cordless drill, a tape measure, a 7/16 inch drive bit, a Phillips bit, along with a level. Like we said before, there's two options in putting this thing in the ground. You can dig a hole, pour some concrete, and secure it that way, or you can use the no-dig anchor screw that comes with it. We're going to do that today. So you're going to want to use the rebar that's included in the box. Place it through the holes. With a good amount of pressure, you're going to want to start putting it in the ground. In the instructions provided, it says every few turns you're going to want to check with a level just to make sure that you're still looking good. Obviously at first you're not going to need it as much as once you get a few more into it. Now that we have the no drill anchor firmly in the ground in the right position, we've also just double checked to make sure the front says front, it's facing the front, the back says back. The difference also is that there are 3 screw holes in the front and there are only 2 in the back, as you can see here. So what we've also done is we've got a level out, and we want to make sure it's level on each side. Now this might wiggle a little bit as you go, so you can have someone hold it for you if necessary. But just go ahead and put your first screw in. Also just want to make note that the instructions told us that we needed a 7/16 drill bit, a socket, and we actually found that they included 3/8 a bolt. So just be ready for whatever's in there. So we're going to go ahead and make our first drill. Okay, as soon as you have your 4x4 secure and it's all level, you're ready to put the Mayne post over top. It should slide on pretty easily at first, and then you'll notice you'll hit a point of tension. Just want to press pretty firmly from the top. It goes right over. Now we're ready to install the mailbox support arm. You'll notice it comes pre-installed with a 2x4 already in there, just to make it a little bit more sturdy. And with this process, you've got the 2 7/16 bolts that are going to have washers on each edge, and then another screw to screw into the bottom of the support arm, which I'll show you in a minute. But it comes, the package should come with all 3 color options. Today we've got the black one, so we're going to go ahead and install that now. Okay, so the arm here is going to rest on the very bottom of this casing, and that's how you know you've got it in the right spot. But make sure you measure, because depending on where you live, they might have different requirements for height of mailbox. So we're ready to install the support arm. I've recruited some help to hold the support arm so I don't have to do it. And we've also noticed that the polyethylene casing on this is pretty hard, as well as there's the 4x4 post still inside. So we're going to pre-drill the hole, and then we will install the screw. Now that we've pre-drilled the holes, we're ready to screw in the screws. So now we are ready to install the bottom screw for the support arm. And at least for us, there was no marking, so we're just gonna kind of go right in the middle. We're gonna pre-drill a hole, and then we're going to install the screw with the decorative cap. The screw for this is a Phillips head, so you're going to want to make sure you have a Phillips head screw. And you want to make sure that the decorative cap is put on the screw first. And then go ahead and close the decorative cap. So now we are ready to install the planter arm. There are 2 screws. There's one that you access from the inside and one on the outside. We're going to go ahead and pre-drill those holes as well. Now that we've pre-drilled the holes, we're ready to install the lag screw into the inside of the planar box. Final step is to insert the Phillips head screw with the decorative cap already on into the bottom of the planar support. So there you have it, the main post all set up, fully installed and ready to go.